Hey, what's going on here early in the morning? Why is there a crowd at the factory gate? Go to work.
Boss, work will only start when you increase our salaries.
Salaries? Raghu, do you know how much it costs to run this factory? The electricity bill, the cost of machine maintenance, the fuel for my car, and on top of all that, you guys just keep demanding a salary increase.
Boss, do we have to drive your car or is there another option?
Our wives also ask when the groceries will come home.
Your dog will eat chicken and our children will lick empty plates.